and feeling good to be here after a long time.
Very good organized event. So many participation is there.
So the B2B customers, what we are looking for, they are here. So we are completely happy with this expo. We are not participating in any other expos.
It's a very healthy environment. So all the industries, even international participants are coming here.
And the reason why we come again and again is because we get business. So in terms of getting new partners or end customers, I'm very happy with Roof India.
The success of any exhibition is the number of people attending them. And we came across many people from different strata of the society, from different industries, from different part of the country as such.
Because in this exhibition we just not receive only other dealers, but we have also received architects, engineers. They also inform us with good projects here in India.
The footfall has been really good. So one good thing about Roof India is you're only getting good quality people coming in the booth.
So Roof India is very much important for each and every companies as well as the traders also. From there they can cater the knowledge of about new products and other stuff.
Here we meet different range of products, different customers, different sort of inquiries. We also get to know a lot of new products, what are the new things are in market.
It helps us in the sense of showcasing our new innovations or new product to the people or the customers.
The first day it's good. We are meeting a lot of people in the industry, new people. We are at the right spot and everything is planned very well.
It's a big country, it's a developer country, change is happening, and this is a good platform to communicate our products and our services to the broad public.
We didn't anticipate that this much people will come.
We want to make our market awareness more and more, and since we are coming to Roof India exhibitions, like to get more references, get more business.
It helps us to reach more markets. Actually, we are from Kerala. We are now reached Punjab in 2 days' time. And the only reason we came to Roof India was to sell this product, in a better way.
The new product launches according to the Roof India exhibition. So even this year, if you see, we have launched 3 products.
Roof India is a platform to create your brand.
From platform like this, we are able to interact with new customers. There are many newbies, many entrepreneurs who want to learn about the product. So it is very good to have all the people under one roof.
The intellectual mindset people will be coming across. So obviously it would be easy for us. It's like one-stop shopping.
I met many new clients here, many real people who are interested to do something new.
Definitely it's a pan-India exhibition, not at pan-India, even some time we are getting a customer from the out of India also.
Roof India is very good approach, I feel, so that they have supported us, helped us to present ourselves to the people.
At least 10 to 12% we are increasing our business every year whenever we are coming to you.
Fantastically booming market right now, so we are happy to be here today.
This is our first time. Very glad to be here. The footfall is pretty good. We've been having a lot of inquiries for the same.
There's nothing that can substitute the fact of meeting face to face with the people.
We get very, very serious visitors who would like to discuss technical issues.
At Roof India, yes, the first time as an exhibitor, but we have been a visitor for a long time.
So basically this kind of exhibitions helps a lot because it's create awareness in the market, and what we are doing right now, what is our capability, what is our strength, we can explore more.
Yeah, definitely on the first 2 days we had received a huge response from the clients on their part.
The visitors, the footfall, they are all very focused persons. By yesterday afternoon, our 400 catalog were exhausted.
Due to our participation in Roof India, we get very good businesses in the particular states where Roof India is being conducted.
As a participant here in the event, we get to know what other competitors are doing and how well placed we are as far as technically and commercially with other competitors of ours.
और लास्ट 3 दिन से हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि माइंड ब्लोइंग क्राउड, और सबसे बड़ा अच्छी बात मेरे लिए तो वो रही है कि हमारे हर एक जो भी एग्जिस्टिंग कस्टमर है उसके साथ एक 1-to-1 जो हुआ है वो ज़बरदस्त है.
बहुत अच्छा रहा. सब लोग आए, हमारी कंपनी को देखा, नाम देखा, हमारे कैटलॉग देखे, प्रोडक्शंस.
The experience has been phenomenal so far. We had not expected that kind of footfalls, but the footfalls are good, the interest, the inquiries that are generated, those are good.
This is our first time in exhibition. Generally in exhibition it happens only 10 to 20% potential client, but in this exhibition there are more than 60% potential clients.
See, I think Roof India is a very, very focused kind of exhibition.
where we get the right kind of clients.
Roof India, yes, we have participated first time. The response here is overwhelming.
Thumbs up to Roof India.
Roof India.
To Roof India.
Roof India.
Roof India. Roof India.
To Roof India.
Double thumbs up to Roof India.
Roof India.